everybody, welcome to Getprintx. In this video, we will learn how to create a proper Shopify store from scratch, how to install Getprintx app, and how to push products with mockups automatically on your Shopify store. So first things first, we will visit getprintx.com. We will just create an account or log into our website. After creating the account, the dashboard will be displayed. We will keep this as it is. Now we will go to Shopify admin panel. Here, after creating a new account, when you create a Shopify store, the user interface looks like this. On the left, there are options. But first things first, we will just install the Getprintx app on your Shopify store. We will just type Getprintx on the app section and we will just search Getprintx in the Shopify app store. We will just click on the Getprintx app and we will just install it. When we click on install the Getprintx app, your Shopify store would be automatically connected to the Getprintx website and you will be redirected to the Getprintx dashboard. So to check if your website is connected or not, we will just go on the left panel, the last option, connect store. Here you will be able to see that your store link is automatically connected with Shopify. Now after connecting, we will have to add products. For that, what we can do is we can go to Shopify. On the product section, we will just add a product manually from here by selecting sizes and colors one by one. Or second step, what we can do is automatically push the products to your store. For that, we will create and upload the design on Getprintx, which we have already discussed in previous videos. You can go through the previous videos just to get a better understanding. After uploading design, we have to generate mockups in bulk. Once we click on generate mockup, all the mockups are generated in all the colors. From here, you can choose which colors you have to push to your Shopify store. So we will just go to push product to store option. Our product will be visible here. We will just click on push product. We will select all the sizes which we have to push. For example, I will select from extra small to 2XL. And we can choose colors as well. I'll choose black, white, olive green, navy blue and maroon. We can name the product anything. We can also add the description. For now, the dummy text is there. Now we will just click on push to store. The product would be pushed to your Shopify store with the selected colors and variations. After the product is successfully created, you can view it on your Shopify admin panel. Once you click on the product section, you would be able to see our product is there. If we view it on the store, the product looks like this. All the variations are also pushed to our Shopify store. You can just click on any variation and you can see the color also gets changing. Here the dummy text is generated, but we will fix this. To fix this, simply just go to the admin panel of your Shopify. You will just click on the product link. Whatever description you add here would be shown to your Shopify store, and whatever image we add here would be shown in the images section. We will just fix this. To edit your store pricing, you can select all the variations from here, click on bulk edit, and here in the columns you can add the compare pricing as well. For example, if you have to compare the $6.99 with $9.99, it would be like this. We will just drag this. You can change the SKU, which are automatically defined by Getprintx. After making the bulk changes, we will just click on save and we will just click on back. We will just go back and here you can check our product descriptions and all are added. After adding all the details, what we can add is we can just add our product to any collection. For example, you have printed t-shirts in different collections, so you can create a collection and after that add that here. I'll just show you how you can create a collection after this. And you can add the tags here. The tags would be shown to customer who searches your product. So just add those and just click on save. After saving the product, we will just add it to some collection. Below the product, there is a collection option. For example, we can create a collection of printed t-shirts. And in this collection, we will add our printed t-shirt. See, this product we have created, we can add it to this collection. So our t-shirt is created and it is added in collection as well. We can add the collection image here and just click on save. This is just to get you a basic idea of how you can create a Shopify store. Rest you can explore by yourself and by editing the Shopify store as per your convenience. So if you see the collection is already created, we can just view it on your store. You can see the collection looks like this and the product look like this. So in this way, you can push the product to your Shopify store automatically through Getprintx and you can generate mockups in bulk as well. Hope this video helps. Let us know in the comments if you have any queries. Our team will be here to help you. Until then, happy dropshipping.